Immigrant defense organizations are filing a lawsuit after recent federal funding cuts. The Charlotte Center for Legal Advocacy says they're losing tons of money that will impact unaccompanied minors in immigration court. Now they're asking where's the money. WCNC Charlotte's Tradisha Woodard has more.
Well, funding from the Department of Health and Human Services was terminated and effective as of last week. Now there are efforts to challenge that decision, all in hopes of helping kids they say are most vulnerable.
I believe he is 6.
Rules foreign, language unfamiliar. But a child forced to stand in a courtroom alone.
It's impossible to have a legal conversation with a 6-year-old.
Davis Lovvern is an immigration attorney with the Charlotte Center for Legal Advocacy. He says as funding continues to shrink, this will be reality for a lot of children.
Without legal representation, the kids are not going to be able to represent themselves. They're not going to be able to win in court.
The federal cuts have caused the Charlotte Center for Legal Advocacy to lose the $900,000 they were set to receive, which will impact hundreds of families.
We've already been ordered to stop work on the contract. For our organization, we have over 500 cases involving children, but for this particular contract, it covered over 300 cases. So we're facing really hard decisions.
Cassidy Estes Rogers is the interim chief operating officer with the Advocacy Center. She says as they work to figure out a way to continue to serve the children, immigration defense attorneys just filed a lawsuit in the Northern District of California.
The contract itself is developed out of a statute that sort of requires certain services to be provided to children, and the purpose there being we want to avoid exploitation and human trafficking of children.
While the lawsuit represents a critical step forward in the fight for children, Estes Rogers says the fear families face every day is beyond what any legal action can fix.
Calling us like what's going to happen.
It's been a very scary and uncertain time for them.
Now leaders with the Advocacy Center encouraging anyone who can to donate either money or time. You can log on to our website at WCNC.com for more ways to do so. Reporting for WCNC Charlotte, I'm Tradisha Woodard.